Alright guys, today we are updating Sitelinks via editor import created by your AI agent of choice. So what you want to do is have your URL, your site link information on hand, whether that's verbiage, whether that's URLs, ready to paste into the prompt. Put it into the prompt, hit enter, get the return. And I just want to note here, put as much information as you can, be as specific as possible. There is a user section for you to fill out information, and then there is an AI section with instructions. So as you can see here, I'm kind of playing around with what information to put in, but the more times you do this, the better it will work. The first time it's probably going to have a few errors. The second and third times, the error number will cut in half, and by the fourth or fifth times you'll probably be able to do this every time with 0 errors in 10-20 seconds. So as you can see here, we have imported a set of site links. All the ad copy looks good, the URLs look good, we don't have any glaring errors, so just double check your work and comment below with how this prompt worked out for you. Thanks. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this far. Comment below with any ideas for future videos, and whether you have any questions about the video or looking for Google Ads consulting, feel free to contact me via my website, adsbysam.com. There you can find free prompts as well as any premium prompts, as well as the Validator sheet. My goal with this channel is to find ways to save time working in Google Ads and to share that knowledge. So if you can appreciate what I'm trying to do here and interested in more, please subscribe and leave a comment. It's the best way to support me and get more content just like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.